Imagine standing on the edge of a towering cliff, gazing down at a crescent of dazzling white sand cradling a rusted shipwreck, surrounded by impossibly turquoise water. The breeze carries the whisper of the Ionian Sea, and for a moment, time seems to stand still. Welcome to Zakynthos, a Greek island where nature speaks in colors and history hides in every shadow. Zakynthos, or Zanti as it's often called, is more than a postcard-perfect destination. It's a sensory experience. The island is known around the world for its iconic Navajo beach, famously dubbed Shipwreck Beach, where a smuggler's vessel lies marooned in a pristine bay, framed by dramatic cliffs and accessible only by boat. It's a view that stops you in your tracks and stays with you forever. But Zakynthos doesn't stop there. Venture along the coastline and you'll discover the legendary blue caves, carved by the sea into the island's northern cliffs. Their name isn't just poetic. These sea caves literally glow with shades of deep blue, reflecting the sky and sea in a natural spectacle that leaves every visitor in awe. Glide through them by boat or dip into the shimmering waters to swim inside and become part of the island's magic. Beyond these famed sights lies a world of lesser-known treasures. The southern beaches, like Jericho's and Daphne, offer golden sands and gentle waves, perfect for families or those seeking calm. Here, you might even catch a glimpse of the endangered loggerhead turtles that nest along the shorelines. Inland, Zakynthos transforms into a patchwork of olive groves, vineyards, and traditional villages, where time slows and the hospitality is as warm as the Greek sun. For adventure lovers, Zakynthos delivers. Hike through pine-covered hills, snorkel in hidden coves, or rent a kayak to explore the coast at your own pace. And when the day winds down, head to a local taverna for a plate of moussaka, a glass of local wine, and perhaps a sunset you'll never forget. Planning your journey. Base yourself near the town of Zakynthos for culture and nightlife, or opt for a quieter stay near Alacanas or Kerry to soak in nature's tranquility. Boat tours to Navajo and the Blue Caves run daily. Just be sure to bring your camera, because every angle is a masterpiece. If you could spend a day in Zakynthos, would you chase the mystery of Shipwreck Beach, or dive into the glowing magic of the Blue Caves?